Hello children, in this video there are your book exercises. I have not written the answers so I am going to give you the answers in this video. Let's remember this is your exercise A from your book and lesson is active passive. Now let's start with our first question. Rewrite the sentences in passive voice. First, Renu sings a song. A song is sung by Renu. Number 2, call in the doctor at once. Doctor must be called at once. Doctor must be called at once. Number 3, Grandpa told us an interesting story. An interesting story was told to us by Grandpa. Or you can write this answer or children you can write this answer in another way also, that is, we were told an interesting story by Grandpa. This can be written in this way also. Number 4, Neha's father praised her. She was praised by Neha's father. People formed a queue on the road. A queue was formed on the road by people. Children, these are the answers of your exercise A. Now let us switch over to your exercise B. He waters the plants every day. The plants are watered every day by him. The thief stole the jewels. The jewels were stolen by the thief. Number 3, the teacher is demonstrating an experiment. An experiment is being demonstrated by the teacher. Number 4, people have forgotten the war hero. The war hero has been forgotten by people. Number 5, Robin is taking a photograph. A photograph is being taken by Robin. Next, number 6, Amrit sells fruits and vegetables in the market. Fruits and vegetables are sold in the market by Amrit or by Amrit in the market. This way also it is correct. Now let us see number 7. Shekhar had written a letter of apology. A letter of apology had been written by Shekhar. Number 8. The inspector will have inspected our school by tomorrow. Our school will have been inspected by the inspector by tomorrow, or our school will have been inspected by tomorrow by the inspector. Both ways it is correct, children. So let's switch over to number 9. Fortunately, not much damage was done by the fire. Children, this sentence is already in passive voice. We need to change it into active. Was is used for when the in passive voice. So in active voice, in place, how do we correlate was with the second form of verb? So fortunately, the fire did not do much damage. I repeat, fortunately, the fire did not do much damage. Next, the protesters were being stopped by the police. So again, this is in passive voice. Let's change into active. The police was stopping the protesters. The police was stopping the protesters. Next, she has been given a notice by the principal. The principal has given her a notice. The principal has given her a notice. Next, the house was decorated by Asha. Asha decorated the house. Number 13, His officers are displeased by his conduct. His conduct displeases his officers. His conduct displeases his officers. The book will have been received by tomorrow. This book will have been received by tomorrow. They will have received this book by they will have received the book by tomorrow. Instead of they, you can write you also. He will have received this book by tomorrow is also correct. She will have received the book by tomorrow is also correct. You can use any subject, children, here. Or we will have received this book by tomorrow. This is also correct. So you can use any of the subject. Either you can write I, we, anything you can write. If you will use I or we, you will use shall. Like we shall have received the book by tomorrow. If you are going to use other subject other than I or we, then you will use he, she, whatever, but you will use will. Like he will have received the book by tomorrow. Now let's see number 15. Several people have been bitten by this dog. This dog has bitten several people, many people. Both are correct, children. Now let us switch over to our exercise C. First sentence. Her cousin gave her a pair of binoculars. A pair of binoculars were given to her by her cousin, or you can write she was given a pair of binoculars by her cousin. Both ways it is correct. Next, number 2. I know his weak points. His weak points are known to me. Next, number 3. My father bought me a watch. I was bought a watch by my father. Or you can write a watch was bought for me by my father. Your case interests me. I am interested in your case. Your case interests me. I am interested in your case. Next, number 5. They selected me the leader of our group. I was selected the leader of our group by them. Next, Mr. Kapoor teaches us English. English is taught to us by Mr. Kapoor. Number 7. Many people considered him a genius. He is considered a genius by many people. He is, sorry children, this is wrong. He was considered, because it's a simple past tense. Many people considered him a genius. He was considered a genius by many people. This is a correct thing. Now, exercise C only, sentence number 8, 9 and 10. The management appointed Mr. Kapoor the new officer. Mr. Kapoor was appointed the new officer by the management. I hope it is clear. Mr. Kapoor was appointed the new officer by the management. Next, they accepted our invitation. Our invitation was accepted by them. Our invitation was accepted by them. Number 10. The villagers called her a genius. She was called a genius by the villagers. She was called a genius by the villagers. Now children, let us switch over to our next exercise, that is exercise D. These are interrogative sentences, so we need to be careful. Which room did they reserve for the mistress? Starting with word. So, Let's start. Which room did they reserve for the minister? Which room was the minister reserved for by them? Which room was the minister reserved for by them? Next, number 2. Can they write this in English? This in the sentence there is this, so we have to use this. Can this be written in English? Question mark. Number 3. Who called the police? Who was the police called by? Who was the police called by? Next, has he informed his family? Has his family been informed by him? Has his family been informed by him? Let's do number 5 of exercise D. Is Mrs. Kumar hosting the party? Is party being hosted by Mrs. Kumar? Question mark. Number 6. Where did they find the purse? Where was the purse found? Where was the purse found by them? Number 7. Who teaches you Sanskrit? Who is Sanskrit taught to you? Children, just wait for this sentence. I have. Who teaches you Sanskrit? By whom are you taught Sanskrit? By whom are you taught Sanskrit? Next, when will they build the bridge? When will the bridge be built by them? Children, in the question there is build, B-U-I-L-D, but in passive voice it will be B-U-I-L-T. Is Sia cooking a Chinese dish for dinner? Is Sia cooking a Chinese dish for dinner? Is a Chinese dish being cooked by Sia for dinner, or is a Chinese dish being cooked for dinner by Sia? Question mark. When did Shakespeare write his first play? When was his first play written by Shakespeare? When was his first play written by Shakespeare? Children, I think in this exercise D, number 1, I have to check it once. If it will be alright, then no issues. If there is some problem, I'll send the correction for this sentence. Now let us switch over to our last exercise, that is exercise E. I eat an apple. An apple is eaten by me. Shyam delivered the parcel. The parcel was delivered by Shyam. A letter was written by Sneha. This is in passive voice. We need to change it into active. So children, this is vice versa. A letter was written by Sneha. Sneha wrote a letter. Next, a car was bought by him. He bought a car. My purse was lost yesterday. Yesterday, yeah, or you can write, I lost my purse yesterday. He offered a seat to the elderly woman. The elderly woman was offered a seat by him. The elderly woman was offered a seat by him. Did you find my pen? Was my pen found by you? By whom were the walls painted? Who painted the walls? Next, 12 months make a year. A year is made of 12 months. The fields are overgrown with grass. This is in passive voice. The fields are the grass is overgrown in the fields. The grass is overgrown in the field. Wait children, wait for the sentence. Children, The fields are overgrown with grass. The grass overgrows in the fields. This will be correct. The grass overgrows in the fields. Next, number 11. It is said to be a very well researched book. This book is very well researched. This book is very well researched. Do you like such films? Do you like? Are such films liked by you? Are such films liked by you? Next, was the window broken by you? Did you break the window? Did you break the window? Will you teach me mathematics? Shall I be taught mathematics? Shall I be taught mathematics by you? Next, this number 15. When was the essay written by you? When did you write the essay? Children, these are all the solutions of your book exercise. Along with this video, I have prepared a PDF. In that PDF, there are the answers of the worksheets which I had given or posted to you during your lectures of active and passive. So children, please do practice these exercises and everything, because I think Monday we are going to have a test. Thank you.